Chloe, look at the tree. Look at the playing cards. Look at them. Ready? Now watch this. Second. See the playing cards? Watch my dog catch them. 3 clubs. Watch this. Ready, Chloe? Ready? Bring it there. No. Leave it. Leave it. Okay, stay. You put a hole in that one. Okay, ready? Catch this one in your mouth. No, leave it. Here is the best part. You throw 5 cards at once at my dog, and she gets so confused. Ready? Go over there. Watch the 5 cards. And we'll go. And she just stares at them and chooses one. No, wait. I want that one. No. I'm just gonna smell something on the ground and start licking it up. What the heck's wrong with you, Chloe? Okay. This is my dog, Chloe. Look at the camera, Chloe. Don't put your nose. You put your nose in it. Now the audience is gonna feel that. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Let's zoom in on our nose. No, you can't zoom. What the crap? Oh. Look, Chloe. Look at the camera. Okay. And if you want to watch any other of my videos, they'll be posted on my page. So, till next time. See you later, YouTube.